So today we're back on the S15 and we've got our friend Bronson here who has a home for hoons. Job one today is mount the radiator, which needs to fit somewhere in here, but we can't get the angle that we want, so we might have to do something about this guy. Then we've got to mount all our engine bay goodies. So we've got a catch can, an overflow, a sensor block, some coil packs, a fuel pressure regulator, and a water pump. Hopefully we can get it all done in the one day.
You should be more accurate than me, Mr. Engine Builder.
Yeah. Michael is milling up a billet oil filter mount. The most unnecessary thing ever. We've got the radiator fitting nice and snug. So thanks to this handsome man, now we've gotten a fair bit mounted today. We've got radiators in and done properly. We've got catch can, oil filter as well, little overflow and a header tank done up, and some nice brackets to hold them onto the cage structure and the tubes. Coil packs are on too, pressure reg. Also put on a sensor block and another turbo. And if you feel like one of these strut braces, let me know.